Good afternoon. My name is Heather. This is Lady, and welcome to your quick bedtime stretch. So we're going to get started on our backs today. So planting the soles first, and then slowly rolling onto your back. Bring the right knee into the chest. Give it a little squeeze. And then flex through that right foot, cross it over the left knee. And if this is enough of a stretch for you, please stay here. If you want to go a little deeper, lift up the left foot, and thread your hands through to grab a hold of the back of the left thigh. And as we start, let's already begin to relax through the face, through the jaw, the forehead, and even through our shoulders. Even if this means not getting as deep of a stretch tonight. Lower that foot. Just bring this right knee back into the chest, straighten through the left leg, and then use your left hand to guide this knee up and over to the left side. Right arm comes palm face up on the other side of you, either straight out or in a cactus arm like me. You can look up or towards that right hand. Untwist, plant this right sole, bring the left knee into the chest this time, give it a squeeze, and then flex through this left foot, cross it over the right knee, and stay here if you did on the other side. If you wanted to take it deeper, lift up through the right foot, threading the hands through and grabbing hold of the back of the thigh. You can even close your eyes in these positions. Just truly let yourself go. Let yourself rest today. Drop the right foot, uncross, keeping the left knee in the chest, straighten through the right leg, and then grab this left knee, guide it up and over to the right side. Right arm or left arm comes either in a cactus arm or straight out to the left side of you, palm face up. And breathe. Untwist, bring both soles to the mat, and place both hands palm face down on either side of you. Lift up the hips. Just for a baby bridge, keep some space in between your chin and your chest. Look up. And then gently drop the hips. Both knees come back into the chest. Flex through both feet and see if you can grab a hold of the outer edges of your feet. If not, that's okay. Grab a hold onto your ankles and take the knees out wide, outside the armpits. Bring both knees into the chest, and then turn to one side. Use your right hand or left to guide yourself up. And meet me in a tabletop position. So on all fours, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Inhale, drop the stomach. Open up through the chest. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, drop the belly. And exhale, bring the chin in, back the neck long. Do a few more of these in your own time, inhaling as you drop the stomach and exhaling as you begin to round the back. Take your time, no need to rush. One more wherever you're at. And then if you want to, come to a neutral tabletop and just move in any way that feels like you need to get any more kinks out before bedtime. Go for it. Maybe shifting to one side and then the other with the hips. And then take the knees out wide, toes come to touch, shift the hips back to the heels, walk the hands forward. And drop the forehead down. Release any deep breathing you were doing. Let yourself go into the mat. I'm going to leave you here in this child's pose today. Please stay as long as you need before you get back up. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you for showing up for yourself today. Have a wonderful night's rest, good sleep, and I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.